Welcome to BSc Statistics students. In this lesson, I explain two important concepts called population and sample. These are very important concepts for many number of statistical techniques, statistical methods, statistical techniques. Particularly for theory of estimation and testing of hypothesis. These are the two particular concepts which are based on these particular population and sample are very important, and also based on the population sample, these definitions, these two particular concepts, theory of estimation, testing hypothesis, are completely rely or completely depends on these simple concepts, but we have to understand properly, clearly. Now you see, what's the definition of population? The total number of individuals or things or items under a statistical investigation is called population. It is usually it is denoted by capital M. Population, the size of the population, that is total number of units of population, it's denoted by capital M. And the population constants or population units are denoted by capital X1, capital X2, capital X, capital N, capital Xn, Xn, X1, X2, Xn, all capital letters. So this is what the some notation and simple things are in the population. If I give you some examples, you can easily understand. For example, if you want to calculate national income for our country, then it is to be obtained from all the individuals, all the persons living in the country. So then only national income can be obtained. So therefore, in this example, the total number of individuals, those who are earning individuals, which are nothing but population units. So X1 is one individual, X2 is another individual, and so on. Xn is another individual. So total number of individuals, total number of persons, those who are earning, because national income, because the point of view is national income, those who are earning, which are population units. So that is in this particular sense, individuals. So some another, for example, a company producing some electrical fans, some number of items, TVs, etc. Right? Then if you want to do some analysis on that, statistical analysis, if you want to know the how much percentage of defectives are there, how quality it is, how quality the particular lot is going to be maintained. So in that production process, so if you want to study that such kind of concepts in the company, in a firm, then number of things, number of items, or we can say the number of items, total number of items produced in a particular day in a lot is nothing but a population. So similarly, you can consider many number of examples. You see here some of the examples I have given here. If you want to find out the average height of the university students, then total number of students studying in the universities is a population in this particular study. So for any particular defining the population, it must have some particular statistical study, that is the base of defining the population. that is under statistical investigation. So in a particular, so under a statistical investigation, that is the terminology is going to be used, or in a particular statistical study, or investigation, or a study, that we can call it. So that is very important. If you define what your statistical study, your statistical investigation, then population is defined. Population is defined very clearly. If you observe another example in study of measuring average income of a family in a locality, if you consider a locality, or if you consider a particular place in a city, then the population is the total number of families living in that locality. Population is nothing but total number of families which are living in the locality. If you want to calculate income of a family, then the family is, every family is nothing but a one population unit. Each and every family living in that city, living in that locality, in that place, which is nothing but, which are nothing but population units, right? This is the concept of the population. It's very important. And then if we come to the definition of sample, the sample is nothing but a finite subset of population. It is called sample. It's a very simple definition. That is what in the population, just now we have studied the population, the concept of population, in which if you consider a finite subgroup from the I'm very sorry, right, a finite subset, if you consider a subgroup, a group of units from the population, if you consider, that is nothing but it represents sample. The size of the sample, it is denoted by small n. You see, you can easily observe that capital N is a size represented for the population. Small n is the size represented to the sample. And the sample units are denoted by x1, x2, xn, small letters. Now you can easily observe that capital X1, capital X2, capital Xn, which is the notation for population units. Small x1, small x2, small xn, small n, it is notation for the sample units. You can observe that another notation here, x1, x2, capital X1, capital X2, capital X small n. Why this notation from this? Capital X are used for population. Why it is in the sample also by representing small n? Because the only one reason, this reason is to be kept in your mind, to keep the difference between, that is to know the difference between population and sample everywhere in the statistics. So this is the most crucial definition, most crucial the term, the most crucial thing it is going to be observed. What is the why we are considering this? The most crucial reason, what is the reason behind this? That's very, very important. Every statistician must have to understand this. You see here, the population units are capital X1, capital X2, and so on, capital Xn, capital N, capital X, capital N. What we are stating here, sample units. Sample units are nothing but one of the unit of the population. Every sample unit is nothing but it is drawn from the population. You have to remember this. It is drawn from the population. For example, there are in a particular locality, in the second example here, if you consider average income of a family in a locality, if you consider there are 1,000 families are living in a particular locality, in a particular place. And then here population units are 1,000, out of which we are drawing some group of families into the sample. That is, for example, 100 group of families are drawn or considered to constitute a sample, to make a sample, then which are all 100 units, all 100 units are taken from the population only. That's very, very important. Rather than considering this, that's very, very important notation part. Very, very important thing is notation part. Just understanding the concept is not enough. Why this notation? Why this is capital 1, capital X1, capital X2, capital X1? Why this is capital X1, capital X2, capital X small n? That's very, very important. So all 100 units are nothing but the one of the units of the population. Therefore, that is the reason why we have drawn 100 units. All the capital. So one of whatever you have drawn small x1, it is nothing but one of the capital X1. Whatever small x2, that is nothing but one of the capital X. Maybe capital X10 we have considered here. And for example, capital X 124, we have considered out of 1000 units, 124th unit may be selected. Out of 1000 units, another unit, for example, 252 unit is going to be selected. So therefore, that is the reason why we are representing X1, capital X1, capital X2, capital X small n is also another notation for sample. That is, these are all units drawn from the population only to indicate that whatever n small n is equal to 100 units, x1 to x1, x2 and so on x100. Why we are naming 1, 2, 3? Why not the selected units 111, 121 or 252, etc.? Because in the sample, how many units are there? 100. To represent 100, we are giving a number 1, 2 and so on 100. That is n, small n. That is only the reason. Whichever unit is selected from the population to sample, we are considering capital X1, capital X2, capital X small n. Small n is an indication of how many units are there in the sample. That's all. It is drawn from the population. That's you have to remember in that fashion. Drawn from the population. Hope this is what the maximum explanation I have given to you, right? So that is the reason why the two notations for the sample you consider small x1, small x2, small xn, or capital X1, capital X2, capital X small n. Thank you so much. Here it is this much explanation it is needed, it's required for understanding the notation, right? So similarly, so in the first example, if you consider the average heights of the university students, then total number of students studying the university is the population. But in this particular example, a student selected from a college in the university is treated as a sample. That is, number of students, some number of students are selected from the college, from the university. That is, which is nothing but a sample. It represents a sample. Is one of the example. Similarly, we come to the next example. In the locality, we have considered all the families living in a locality. We are considering in the second example. In this example, if we consider some number of families, for example, 1000 families are living in a locality in the population, that is in the entire locality, 1000 families are living. For example, if we consider 100 families, that is group of a finite subgroup or a finite subset we call from the, let it be 100 families are selected into the sample, selected as a subgroup of the population that represents a sample. Like that, everywhere in a particular population, if you consider a subgroup of population is nothing but it represents for the purpose of studying the that is for the purpose of studying the whatever objectives of the statistical investigation or statistical study, right? So that is nothing but a sample. Hope you understand the difference between population and a sample. The population is total number of individuals in a particular statistical investigation, and whereas sample, it is a subset of considering that particular population. A subset, a finite subset, it is going to be considered from the population. It is nothing but sample. Hope you understand. Thank you.